In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview files in Asana. If you've ever needed to quickly confirm details in a document or image without downloading it, the preview feature in Asana can save you time and keep your workflow focused. I'll walk you through exactly what to do and point out a few helpful things to watch for along the way. Start by opening the task that contains the file you want to see. This is the same task where the file was originally attached, so you'll be looking at the task's details pane. If you're working from a project board or list, clicking the task name will open that pane on the side. Make sure you're in the correct task, especially if your team has similarly named items. Once you're in the task, look for the file in one of two places. The first place to check is the attachments section. This area shows thumbnails or small previews, along with the file names. If you don't immediately see it there, scroll through the task's conversation or comments. Files added in a comment appear right where they were posted, so it's worth scanning the thread, especially on busy tasks with lots of activity. Pay attention to timestamps and the person who uploaded it to ensure you're opening the intended version. When you've found the right file, click either its thumbnail image or its file name. Both actions do the same thing. They open the preview. Give it a second if your connection is slow or the file is larger. This click doesn't download the file, it simply opens it inside Asana. A full screen preview window will appear, letting you view the content without leaving the app. This works well for images, PDFs, and some Microsoft Office files. You'll see the file front and center with a clean, distraction-minimized layout that's ideal for quick checks and reviews. The benefit here is speed. You can verify text on a PDF, confirm a design element in an image, or scan a spreadsheet layout at a glance. If the preview doesn't appear, the file type may not be supported. In that case, the attachment will still be available from the task, but you may need to open it in its native app outside Asana. That's all there is to it. Open the task, locate the file in the attachment section or the relevant comment, click the thumbnail or the file name, and review it in the full screen preview. With this workflow, you can keep your focus inside Asana, reduce context switching, and get on with your work more efficiently.